be strong. When you're lost and you're all alone, you might be somewhere strange and dark, but long to be safe at home. Thomas knows what must be done. He knows and what is more. He's the leader, number one, such a brave intervention for sure. Well, you might be lost on a foggy night, stuck fast on a snowy day. It's times like this you feel afraid, so that's when it's time to say,